Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Microsoft Excel on your Windows is not responding, not starting, or not even opening. So let's go quick into the process. So click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on apps. Click on installed apps. Simply scroll down and look for the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. So this is where your Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft OneNote belongs because they are Microsoft Office programs or products. So these are included right here, or they are included right here. So click on these three dots and then select Modify. Now, how would you like to repair Microsoft 365 and Office programs? By the way, I've already made a video on how you can check the version of your Microsoft Office products so that you can know on what application do you want to repair if in case you're facing an error with any of the Microsoft Office programs. So click on the quick repair, fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on repair. Now you have to click on repair button once again. So this will start repairing. So we're just going to wait for this. Now once done, click on close and then simply close this window too. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Next method is we are going to run a command in the command prompt. This is to repair and scan for the system files and to repair the Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Best match command prompt on the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now this process will take some time. So let's just minimize this for now and I'm going to tell you the last method. So again, click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on apps, installed apps. So if in some cases that the quick repair didn't fix the issue, now you have to go back into the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, the version of your Microsoft Office products. Click on these three dots and then select modify. And you have to go with the online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Now you just have to click on the repair button and click on repair. So once this is done, once the online repair is done, and once the scan right here is also done, then you can simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, then try to launch or open the Microsoft Excel application. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.